Playground. The school playground is very small, so not many children can play in it. School library. There are a lot of books, magazines, and newspapers in the school library. Computer room. We learn how to use the internet in the computer room twice a week. Gym. They have school meeting in the gym when it rains. School garden. Our class usually waters the vegetables in the school garden on Friday afternoons. Classroom. This is my classroom, room 302. Science lab. We learn the science in the science lab. Schoolyard. We usually play in the schoolyard during the break. Music room. We can play music in the music room. Art room. I love the art room, because I can draw anything there. Pool. I like swimming in the pool.